Hello, and welcome to our spotlight for the Braintree payment integration for Acumatica. My name is Nathan Masserang, and I'm the training specialist at Kensium, and we're excited to showcase the Braintree and our integration today. Here at Kensium, we're a certified gold partner with Acumatica as both a VAR and an ISV. Our specialization in the e-commerce space awarded us Acumatica's Retail Partner of the Year in 2021 for giving merchants the best possible online retailing experience with the development and implementation of our integrations. So let's talk Braintree. Braintree is a PayPal service providing a dynamic solution to processing payments from customers. Every day, billions of dollars in online payments are being handled by Braintree. Available in over 45 countries and accepting over 130 currencies, merchants can have multiple Braintree accounts to handle businesses anywhere in the world. Simple, innovative payments drive Braintree's services, giving merchants a wide variety of payment methods to accept in their online stores. Practically future-proof, merchants can add payment methods across multiple channels as they become available. One of the critical distinctions of Braintree is its dedication to security. By leveraging the Braintree Vault, merchants can enter credit card information directly into the vault, such as card and customer details, and the information is encrypted and kept in a PCI-compliant space. No raw credit card data will ever pass through a merchant's servers, just tokenized payments. You can also add an unlimited number of custom fields for additional data storage if necessary. Best of all, Braintree offers flexible pricing to set up an account based on business needs. No long-term contracts or setup fees, and only be charged upon settled transactions. Yes, that means no fees on authorizations, voids, or storage of cards. Now, you can leverage the payment processing power of Braintree using Kensium's Braintree payment integration for Acumatica. Now certified for 2021 R1, the Braintree integration for Acumatica gives the same payment flexibility for customers in the ERP setting. Here are some of our customers using the Braintree integration, and here's what they have to say about it. So let's see the integration in action. In Acumatica, we can simply publish the customization project and add the payment processor using the newly added Braintree plugin. Once we've added the Braintree API details for our merchant site and test our connection, and then map the associated payment methods, we're ready to process some payments. Let's start a sales order in Acumatica. Once we've selected a customer, and added some items, we can navigate to the payments page and add a new payment. Simply select the Braintree payment method and the corresponding cash account, as well as our Braintree processing center. Now we can authorize or capture. I'm going to authorize right now. What appears is a hosted form from Braintree. We can enter in our card details and submit. No credit card details will be stored within the Acumatica instance. Now we can see our payment has been pre-authorized and is pending processing. In Braintree, we can go into our transactions and search for a new transaction from our customer. Here, we can see the order we just placed has now appeared here within Braintree. When we're ready, we can go back to the sales order and capture the payment. The processing status is now listed as captured. I'm going to go back into Braintree and take a look at our transaction. We can see that it's now been submitted for settlement. The token that's listed right here is now going to be the customer payment method that's added here. From here, we can see that it's been submitted for settlement and it has been captured by Braintree. In addition to this, we can go into our vault and see that our cards have now been added to the vault. The Braintree Vault is an encrypted area that allows us to store credit card data as this alphanumeric code. So no credit card data is actually being shared between the merchant and Braintree and the financial institution that's getting passed, only this token. The Acumatica Braintree integration is a great solution for merchants using an e-commerce platform like Magento. Either capture upfront at the time of purchase, or authorize in Magento, then capture in Acumatica, as I'll show you here. I'm going to create an order here within Magento. Once we add the payment details, this will pass back to Acumatica as an authorized transaction. When Braintree is configured in your Magento store, when your customer is placing an order, this is the same hosted form that you'll be seeing within Acumatica. Once the order is placed here within Magento, we can take a look here at the sale. So this is the order that Joey just placed. And we can see that the payment method of Braintree was selected, as well as our Acumatica order number has been generated. So that means the order's been synced over. When we go back into Acumatica and take a look at the order, we can see that the payment has also come over and it's pending processing. So this has been pre-authorized, just like we had set up within our settings within Magento to just authorize, and we can capture the payment when it comes in. In addition to this, if we can't see the payment right away that comes over, we can simply import the card payment using the payment reference number or the external transaction ID that we found within Magento. So let's take a look for that here. When we look at our order here, we can go to our transactions and use this transaction ID to import any additional records that we need if they're missed on the order. Now, when we look in our Braintree portal on the dashboard, under transactions, we can see that Joey's order that was placed has passed through to Braintree and is authorized already, since we had that set up to authorize in Magento. All we need to do now is go back into Acumatica and capture the payment. Now that it's been captured, we can head back to Braintree and take a look at the transaction. Now we can see it's submitted for settlement, and the transaction was successfully captured. Braintree gives you a dynamic solution to the ever-evolving world of payments, and with Kensium's Braintree integration for Acumatica, processing transactions just got even easier. For pricing, check out the Acumatica pricing sheet, and if you'd like more information about the integration for Acumatica, please contact sales@kensium.com. Looking to set up a Braintree account? Head over to braintreepayments.com and click on Contact Sales.